This week in art, we are going to talk about colors, more specifically warm and cool colors. Right now, my little turtles are in a color wheel. So a color wheel, the way that you make it would be that you have your two primary colors. So for example, red and yellow gives you orange. Same thing as yellow and blue would give you green. And red and blue would give you purple. That is how the color wheel works. The color wheel also, you can split it in half, and half of it will be warm colors and the other half would be cool colors. Now warm colors will make us think of like a sunny day or maybe fire or the sun, as the cool colors makes us think maybe of the nighttime or ice or water or cool grass and leaves. This week we are going to do two pictures. One is going to be with warm colors and one's going to be with cool colors. The way you make the picture is going to be up to you. I'm going to show you a quick example. Okay, so on this piece of paper, I could decide to just do abstract and do all kinds of lines and everything like that. Or I could decide that maybe all I'm gonna do is an actual picture of something that is warm. So let's say I decide to do the sun. You could use markers, you could use crayons, you could use paint. That is going to be up to you. Okay, so let's say I decide this is going to be a sun. So I'm gonna finish this real quick. Okay, here we go. Now I could add other colors to mix it in, like my red to make my sun a little bit more fiery. And then I'll add some orange too. Now I'm doing this really quick because I want to make sure that you guys have a chance to make your own artwork as well. So make sure you take your time when you make yours, okay? Here's some orange. Okay, so I think you understand what we're supposed to do today. You are going to create something that is warm. Like I said, it could be abstract or it could be something real. It is up to you. But I want the whole paper to be covered with warm colors. Set it aside and get another piece of paper so that you can do cool colors. Now, if you're at home and you have construction paper, that will be the best. And you can use a construction paper instead of being white that already is a warm color. That would work too. So for example, maybe for this one, I could decide to do raindrops, okay? And I'm gonna color them all, little raindrops everywhere. Maybe I could do grades of black grass as well at the bottom. You see how I make it kind of look abstract? It's not like all real. I decided that I could also just create a really cool design. That's gonna be my choice. Okay, so I have my two pictures. I have a warm color and a cool color picture. I would like you to do the same, but keep these for next week, because next week we are going to, actually, not next week, the following week, we are going to combine them, okay? So we're going to make them become one. You'll see, it's gonna be really cool. So go have fun, make a warm color picture and a cool color picture. And I'll see you in 2 weeks after spring break. Have fun for your spring break.